My birthday Gummy.
Yes, that's right. And what are you going to sing to her?
Birthday Gummy.
That's a good song. How about Yom Huledet Sameach? Yom Huledet Sa.
Yeah.
Yom Huledet Sa. Yom Huledet Sa. Yom Huledet Sa. Good one. Eitan has a birthday blessing for Gammy. What is it?
Be happy on your birthday.
That's wonderful. You say happy birthday, Gammy?
Happy birthday, Gammy.
Nadav, you also have a birthday blessing for Gammy?
Yes.
What is it?
We live in how do you think?
That you should live?
That you should live until you're 100,052.
That's a long time. What else do you have to say?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday from Marfa to Beth. My magazine is in your mail for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday, dear Gammy.
Happy
birthday to you. Here's your ice cream cake. Ha ha ha. Okay, blow it out. Good job.